Hello and a very warm welcome back to Maths Plus. Today we're solving the equation x plus 1 over x is equal to the square root of 20. Then we need to find x to the power of 5 minus 1 over x to the power of 5. So maybe give it a go and let me know how you get on. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. So let's get started. So our first step will be to square out the term x plus 1 over x. Now if we look at the equation above, we can see that x plus 1 over x is equal to the square root of 20. So let's square both sides and we will get x plus 1 over x all to be squared is equal to the square root of 20 all to be squared. So the left hand side of x plus 1 over x all to be squared will equate to x squared plus 1 over x all to be squared plus twice the cross multipliers, which is x by 1 over x. And we know that's equal to 1. And that's all equal to square root of 20 all to be squared. Well, we know that's 20. Alright, so it's working out now. So all we need to do now is to bring across our 2. And we will get a result of 18. And we're going to call this equation 1. Let's move on to step 2. So we're going to obtain x minus 1 over x. But first of all, let's square out x minus 1 over x to see what we get. So we're going to get x squared plus the second term squared, which is minus 1 over x all to be squared, minus twice the cross multipliers. Again, that will work out as a 1, as x by 1 over x will give a 1. Right, so the first term also will simplify, as we can see that this will be positive and will work out as the format of equation 1. So we're going to replace this term here with the result of equation 1, and we will get 18 for this, and we will get a negative 2 by 1 here. So we can deduct that x minus 1 over x all to be squared is equal to 18 minus 2. Right, so all we need to do now is to reduce it further by getting the square root of both sides. So let's get that done. So if we get the square root of 16, we're going to get a result of 4. So we're going to take that as equation 2. So x minus 1 over x is equal to 4. Now in step 3, we are doing a little bit more maths now, because we need to cube out x minus 1 over x. So we need to get x cubed minus 1 over x cubed. So let's cube it out, and let's recall that we already have equation 2. So if we cube it, we'll get 4 cubed. Okay, so we have the difference of two cubes format here, and a minus b ought to be cubed is equal to the first term cubed minus the second term cubed minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b, the difference. Okay, so we're going to apply this now to the x minus 1 over x format. So we're going to replace a by x, so we could get x cubed, and replace the b with 1 over x. So we're going to get minus 1 over x all to be cubed. Okay, so we have the two terms completed here. Now let's do the final combination, and we'll have minus 3 by a replaced by x, b replaced by 1 over x, and again the difference, which is equivalent to equation 2 result. Right, so now it's starting to simplify. So we're going to cube this up, and we're going to replace the x minus 1 over x with the 4 again. Okay, so let's see how it works out. So we're going to input our 4 in here and in here. So replace it by 4. So we get 64 as a result over here. 4 cubed is 64. Now we have x cubed minus 1 over x cubed, which is our target, minus 3 by 4, which is 12. So just bring the 12 across, and we're going to add in. So we're going to get x cubed minus 1 over x cubed is equal to 64 plus 12, which is going to be 76. So let's multiply out. So we're going to get the first two terms here, x3 by both of those. We will get x to the 5 plus x to the 3 over x to the 2. Okay, they're completed that by that. Now the second term of the first parenthesis, we will get minus x to the 2 over x to the 3, and again minus 1 over x to the 5. Now if we look closely at the two central terms, these are going to simplify, and we will get x minus 1 over x here. And we can recall from equation 2 that value is equal to 4. We also know the values of the first two terms here, so we can multiply 76 by 18. So when we bring it all together, you can see that 76 by 18 is equal to 1368. We have x minus 1 over x is equal to 4. All we need to do now is to subtract the 4 from both sides. Therefore we will get x to the 5 minus 1 over x to the 5 is equal to 1368. Subtract your 4, and there you have it, 1364 is our result. And finally our solution is x to the power of 5 minus 1 over x to the power of 5 is equal to 1364. So thank you very much for watching Maths Plus, and wishing all viewers a happy new year, and see you again soon on the next exciting maths video.